But, my goddess, to thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me? For that time at 12 or 14 moon shines like over brother. Why, bastard? Wherefore base? When my dimensions are as well compact, my mind as generous, a shape as true as honest madam's issue. Why they brown theirs with baseness, bastardy, base, who in the lasty stealth of nature takes more composition and fierce quality than doth within a dull, stale, tired bed. Go to the creator whole tribe of fops, between sleep and wake well. Legitimate Edgar, I must have your land. Our father's love is to the bastard Edmund, and us for the legitimate fine word. Legitimate. If this letter speed, and my invention thrive, Edmund the base shall top the legitimate. I grow and I prosper. Now, gods! Stand up for bastards.